The economy of the country is dead.
Talks into the protest and it will be bloody. And later they will say that it's Eboh man that is doing riots.
Mr. Tinubu, abeg make dem help us do something for this our Nigeria.
The protest is long overdue. It should have happened a long time ago. But then, ndị Igbo na-atụ n'inu ogo eji wetete ọ bụrụ ụtụtụ ya.
Garri is 3-5. Yam na we dey do yam. Now we dey do tomato. Now we dey do groundnut oil.
Hello guys, there have been so much talk about the end bad governance in Nigeria, the protest that is upcoming on the 1st of August. So we want to go out to the streets and get the pulse of the people, get their reaction. They say they are hungry, bim power, ago na agum in Hausa. I don't know what it means in Hausa. So we want to head out to the street. We're gonna engage Hausa, Eboh, Yoruba to get their reaction because hunger is currently uniting all Nigerians. Come on guys, let's go to the streets.
About the situation of their country, about the economy, and how it affects you as a person, your social life and your business.
You're asking me how it affects me. As you can see, I'm eating groundnut. Huh? Is that what at least now, if it's where everything is working well, you cannot meet me standing on the road eating groundnut like this on this South Africa. I'm supposed to be somewhere, eat a good food. You understand?
Yeah.
But be it as it may, the country has been getting so bad. My brother, let me be frank with you. Protest is a way of showing the government this is not what they are doing right. Peaceful protest, I mean.
Yes, we support peaceful
protest, I mean. But if I'll be frank with you, I personally, I don't think I'll be joining the protest. Because there are a lot of things that we know and we foresee that is going to happen. You are in Nigeria, you can look up at the last general election, how it went. And me, being an Eboh man, you want me to come out and start protesting while I was in the midst of shouting, let us do the needful, let us do the right thing on the election day. Although I know the election didn't went fair, but what can I say?
So this is your reason for not joining the protest?
Yes, I will not join the protest because I think I vote the right candidate.
Okay. So, but you encourage people that wants to protest to do so peacefully.
The problem is this. You know, whatever is happening in this country, if an Eboh man is not involved, it will look as if say it's not going to happen.
Yes.
But it is. And if Eboh man is involved, they will target Eboh man protest.
Okay.
You can see, even in the north, I resided in the north long time ago. Other tribes might have an issue, a conflict that doesn't concern an Eboh man. The next thing, they will start destroying Eboh man's property. So, in this current dispensation, do you want an Eboh man to come out and start doing protests while he knows that his property is one that is going to be looted and be destroyed?
There's a point there.
Because the problem is this. We might have intention of doing the peaceful protest, but the so-called cabals and all these people who have to incite talks into the protest, and it will be bloody. And later they will say that it's Eboh man that is doing riots. Now it's no more protest, you understand? So, my brother, I will not encourage you or any of my brother to come out for protest. Let me be frank with you. Thank you.
There you have it. We at Eboh Media are encouraging for peaceful protest. If you can't join, like he said, that he has his reason for not joining, please put the people that will be protesting in prayers. Protest is a form of holding government accountable.
Because when you went to market, everything is very, very cost. Everything is very, very cost. Tomato, this time now, tomato is supposed to ship. Everything is very cost. Tomato, egg, yam. Yam is not going area now. If you are going to market, he said that you owe 5,000 naira. You cannot buy yam. With 5,000 naira, you cannot buy yam.
You cannot buy yam.
Hey. One yam, you cannot buy yam. Let's talk about the egg. Per egg now, shey we dey import egg dey come. We no dey import egg now. Not before they lay egg. We say that we are importing everything. Hey, yam now we dey do yam. Now we dey do tomato. Now we dey do groundnut oil. Why you come dey affect all of us like this? for this our Nigeria. We don tire to buy anything now is tire. Now children now don vacate for school now. They will enter school now next month abi next 2 months. How come we want make we survive? Mr. Tinubu, abeg make dem help us do something for this our Nigeria. Me personally like this, so I know another person o. The market is not move again o.
I want to ask you this question, like, what soup do you think is the cheapest to make now in Nigeria?
Soup. Cheapest.
To make now in Nigeria.
Say cheapest one.
Yeah, that's
so
somebody
make
can make. Yeah.
some person somebody can make.
Yeah.
Please, if you want to buy pomo, this pomo that this mama is selling.
Like, all this one now is how much?
This one now is 300 naira.
One.
1,000 naira. How do you want to cook only pomo inside the soup?
Hey.
You see, with water or with pepper. If you want to cook this 3 of pomo, you will buy tomato everything 1,500. How do you want to make it? Like this afternoon, I don't make a bag give my children. We spend almost like 3,500. Garri is 3,500. We have soup. Now this yam soup what they use for shop now me and my children take eat. Wetin you want make we do for?
I want to ask you, like, what do you think about the ongoing protests?
Protest, abeg. Protest never start o. Make dem carry the protest well. Protest never hold some people when the protest go hold, because e get some people when the protest go hold make him hold them well, make him pitch them. Something never cause, so make him start to dey cause. Like teacher now, protest never dey, make dem never protest, then dey craze for all the teachers. Protest wey dem suppose to protest since last year, they wan come protest am now. We make we die for hungry. Yam we no fit chop yam, na rich people dey chop yam. If you talk say you wan buy yam now, if you talk say, I tell you say garri still cheap o. If we wan buy yam now na wahala. Yam now is 7,500, 9,000 naira per one yam, small kenkele like this. They tell you say na old yam. New yam when you come outside na small one like this for 5,000 naira. How do you want us to cope?
What do you think about the protest?
I am speaking about that, but the only matter is there is some kind thing like the only thing what I want here is I am speaking to the about the protest, but the thing that I didn't like here to affect people who didn't know about the like I like skirting other people's properties, which is not
Not good.
government property. So that is what I hate for people who are from this protest.
Ihe ndị achọrọ amaghị nke ha achọ ka middle class disappear. You get that? Because the thing is becoming like either you are rich or you are poor, which is not fair at all. And they expose you in middle class. If you get so the thing is getting out of hand. And then with every evidence that the current government I'm already here game.
The signs are there.
Yes, the logos in the ham had the game. In short, we are just in the hands of God presently. Because the massive when doing any metaha, metal on you onye nta. We go when the 5 bottles of Hennessy, kita ha and it too. If we so the thing is getting is cutting across everybody. So all the guy here need here God's intervention, because all the guy in a government we hear hammer hand.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your insight about the economy. I hope the authorities are listening. Ndiga like our governor na Southeast, also the machine na omoho ihe people na worry way for. So enubia from ono people na ihe na worry way bụ na agụ na ebuzi ndị mmadụ na middle class na akwadozie wipe up. So high chief osi asị m ka njụọ gị, o nwere kepu a na-anụgasị na ha chọrọ ime protest, ndị mmadụ na-ewu iwe na ha chọrọ ịpụta ka ekwuo ka gọọmenti n'onu ha na agụụ na-akwado igbu ha, kama ha ga-anọ n'ime ụlọ agụụ egbu ha, ka ha pụta n'iro ka ndị mmadụ, ka ndị obodo, ka ndị na-achị anyị nnukwu onu ha na agụụ na-akwado igbu ha. Ka ihe igwe ikwu gbasara protest nke a na-achọ ime.
This protest a na-akwado ime nna anụpụkepụke ya. The protest all go overdue. Ịmago otego na-ekwesịrị imewe protest a. Ọ na mgbe ndị mmadụ nwụsịsị ya wee mewezi protest a o kwesịrị ka emee ya because na and this time around onwekwana onye ya asị ịghọtago na onye isi na plan ya ya asị ka ije jide ka ịmago ije lobby the person
Yes.
o nwere no because na ọnọdụ ka ihe na-sponsor this protest bụ hunger,
Yes.
frustration,
Yes.
insecurity,
Yes.
and in short
a lot of
ndị mmadụ na people are dying of hunger, so frustration dị too much. So mainly frustration, hunger, and insecurity bụ ihe na-sponsor this protest a na-akwado ime. So they believe na ọ ga-enwe isi and they believe na emecha ya na gọọmenti nwere ike inwe rethink makwa na ndị mmadụ na-ata ahụhụ, you know.
Okay.
So,
Thank you so much, High Chief Osi, for your time. We really appreciate. On behalf of the Eboh Media, we really appreciate your time. Thank you, sir.
you're welcome. You're welcome.
About the economic situation of the country, Eboh, Nigeria, the economic policies of the present government, then affect your business personally.
Well, I have to be very, very precise. The economy of the country is dead. That's my own. I went to Wharf. A boisterous nature of the Apapa Wharf has been eroded. I was there. In about 2 hours, you see one trailer that will move out of the wharf with a container. Everything is just dead. So I don't know whether the handlers of this country realize that when you are increasing the tax net for people that are unemployed, that it will affect the economy adversely. I don't know whether they know that. There's no infrastructure, nothing. There's no light. You are increasing tariff. How is that possible? Where would they get the money to pay? You are not paying salaries regularly. The ones you are paying is not even enough for the people in our home.
So in other words, they are trying to erode the middle class.
There's no more middle class.
Either you are rich
It's either you are rich or you are poor.
Okay.
There's no more middle class at all.
So the government, I hope, whoever that is cares to listen, the economic managers of this country, people are suffering.
Yes.
There is untold hardship in the land. Please address the situation. So, Mr. Aiga, we want to ask you again about the intended protest. The young people mostly, people like us, are agitating that there should be a change in the nation. There should be a progress towards a better governance. So what do you think about this protest that is coming up?
The protest is long overdue. It should have happened a long time ago. But then, ndị Igbo na-atụ n'ime ogo eji wetete ọ bụrụ ụtụtụ ya. Now that is happening, we can only caution people that they should not come out with the full anger that they have. They deserve to be angry.
People are angry.
People are angry. That they should just be cautious of it, so that they won't play into the hands of the government, because they want to start killing people when you do anything that is not good. That you should stick to their protest and it should be peaceful. Okay. That's what I have to tell them.
Okay, we at Eboh Media, we're also advocating for a peaceful protest, because protest is a human right, is a constitutional right.
Yes.
That every citizen have the right to protest, but let us make it peaceful. Thank you so much, Mr. Ike. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you very much.
All right.